Southeast Asia. A haven of tropical ecosystems which support a diversity of species and ecological processes important to humanity's survival. A biodiversity endowment that is a crucial determinant of the socio-economic development and well-being of the region's inhabitants. However, these tropical ecosystems are quickly disappearing primarily due to rapid population growth and modernization. Societies have been either overusing or misusing biodiversity resources due to lack of awareness and understanding of their real values and the ways to properly conserve and use them sustainably. This calls for the pivotal role of tropical biologists to offer critical knowledge to help sustain these ecosystems and thus continuously provide for the needs of communities in the region and elsewhere in the world. The SEAMEO Regional Center for Tropical Biology, or BIOTROP, has long been responding to this call for the past 4 decades since its establishment on 6 February 1968 by SEAMEO, an intergovernmental organization whose purpose is to promote cooperation in education, science, and culture in Southeast Asia. BIOTROP was created to contribute to the economic development of the Southeast Asian region by identifying and solving critical biological problems through appropriately designed research and training programs. In its 9th 5-year development plan, BIOTROP envisioned itself to be a leading center in enriching and promoting the real values of tropical biology in Southeast Asia. The center is committed to provide scientific knowledge and build capacities in conserving and managing tropical biology sustainably for the well-being of communities and the environment of the region. Thus, from 2012 to 2017, BIOTROP, in consultation with its stakeholders, shall focus its research, capacity building, and information exchange activities on 2 programs trusts. The first program trust on tropical biology for community welfare is geared towards helping communities decide, plan, and take action to meet their own needs and solve problems concerning the available biological resources around them in a judicious and sustainable way. The focus areas of this program include, but not limited to, food and feed security and safety, bioenergy development, tropical pest and disease management, value adding in natural products, and biotechnology. This program takes inspirations from several significant research outputs of BIOTROP over the past 5 years, which include technologies for sorghum as a community for food, feed, fuel, and fiber purposes, including methods to improve its post-harvest shelf life from insect pests and spoilage fungi. Biochemical-based inoculants to speed up composting process of agro-industrial waste. Post-harvest assessment on aflatoxin B1 contamination of peanut, sorghum, and milled rice in various distribution chains in West and Central Java, Indonesia. Organic nursery blocks. Clones of sengan tree resistant to stem borer and agarwood tree species responsive to fusarium and acrimonium induction for community forestry plantation, protocol for micropropagation and embryogenesis of cottony seaweed for sustained quality production. BIOTROP's second program trust on tropical biology for environmental integrity shall work towards finding ways to help ecosystems recover from their disturbed condition and or maintain their natural functioning. The focus areas of this program include, but not limited to, biodiversity conservation and management, landscape restoration and habitat rehabilitation, management of ecosystem functions and services, and ecosystem health monitoring. To help achieve its vision mission in the next 5 years, BIOTROP has lined up a special initiatives other than its regular research and training activities. Among these special initiatives include biannual international conferences, regional policy fora, youth environmental outreach grants program, quarterly public seminars, annual regional biodiversity photo competitions, and the establishment of a web-based knowledge management center and a Southeast Asian network for the advancement of research and training in tropical biology. For the past 4 decades, Biotrop had established its niche as a significant research and training center in tropical forest biology, tropical agriculture pest biology, and tropical aquatic biology as its flagship programs from the mid-60s up to the early part of 2000. The center has built the capacities of close to 8,000 professionals, farmers, and students from at least 500 institutions in Southeast Asia on various aspects of tropical biology through research, training, information exchange, and community development activities. Since 1998, Biotrop collaborates with the Institut Pertanian Bogor in offering an international master degree program on information technology for natural resources management, or the MIT for NRM. The program so far has graduated a total of 117 students from 11 countries and recently acquired an ISO Quality Management System certification in June 2011. The center has also started to award thesis grants in 2011 to Indonesian PhD students aimed at increasing the number of qualified human resources that could contribute to the development of Indonesia in the area of tropical biology and ecosystem management. Biotrop is equipped with several laboratories and facilities in support of its research, training, and community development activities. The center is compliant with ISO certification for its laboratory facilities and services since 2004 and for its quality management system since 2007. In 2010, Biotrop also acquired the KNA PPP accreditation from the government of Indonesia in recognition of its quality management for research and development. The center also maintains a database and herbarium that contains around 4,000 weed entries and 6,000 collection of weeds and invasive alien plant species, respectively. Biotrop hosts 2 internationally supported knowledge networks. These are the Regional Center of Excellence, or RCE for Bogor, under the United Nations University, and the Indonesian Biotechnology Information Center, or Indo-BIC, under the International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotechnology Application, or ISAAA. These networks are significant channels through which the center also carry out its information exchange and community development mandates. Biotrop also produces scholarly publications like books, monographs, and reference materials. The center is proud for its scientific journal, Biotropia, being indexed by Scopus, Google Scholar, and the Directory of Open Access Journals, enabling its research outputs and those of other academic institutions engaged in tropical biology more accessible to a wider audience. While the demand to achieve sustainable development becomes more intense as the world draws near to exhausting its carrying capacity to provide for humanity's survival, Biotrop will continue to contribute its share, capitalizing on its past achievements and current capacities to promote and enhance the real values of tropical biodiversity in a more sustainable way. The center believes that through unity of purpose and strategic actions together with its partners in the government, private sector, and the civil society, the challenge to maintain Southeast Asia as a haven of tropical ecosystems would not be such a difficult task. Biotrop will surely be at hand to provide the leadership in this endeavor.